Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to invite people to your Facebook page. So let's get started. So for this, the prerequisites are going to be you must have posted some content like videos, photos or reels, and people must have at least liked and reacted to those things. Okay, so only in that way this method will work. They must have liked or commented on your videos or content. Okay, so first thing, you need to just go to your home screen of your Facebook page, and in the rightmost top corner you'll be having your profile. Just select that, and in this you'll be having Meta Business Suite. Just click that, and in this page just scroll down to the last, and here you will be having something called as grow your audience, contact new people, and it clearly says here, okay, send invitations to people who react to your Facebook post to follow your page. So these people have actually like reacted or commented to my Facebook content like reels or post. So, and here we will be having something called as send invitations. So if I just click this, and these are the reactions, okay, like, love and haha, the laughter thing. I will just select this all. So basically I will be sending invitations to 33 people who reacted with my content. So I'll just click on send invitations. Yeah, so here you can see you sent 33 page invitations. So now these 33 people will be notified about our page. So this is how you do it, guys, and I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist. I've done a lot of programming tutorials. Check them out. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.